Hi, I am Subhashri Agarwal. I am a corporate communication professional. It's been more than 10 years since I've been working. I've worked with different agencies and corporates. I enjoyed trainings. Informally, I was training within my organization to small groups of people, especially related to communication, to branding. That was very interesting for me, so I wanted to learn this professionally. I think the most important thing was how Aparna ma'am explained the entire course, the clarity she gave about the entire setup, and the conviction she had even before I joined the course that you'll not regret it at all. And I think I totally agree with her now. It was a good decision from my part to join ProTouch because the way she explains, the way she taught, it has given my training journey a very structured approach on how do I go about actually making sure that people learn something out of the sessions that I take for them. I think Aparna ma'am and Rahul sir made the course very easy to understand. While coaching in itself is such a serious job, you have so much of responsibility on yourself, but they made sure that we understand it in the easiest way possible. And the way they taught us, it made me very comfortable and very confident that I'll be able to take these sessions. The way course was structured, the way it was explained, all the models and everything are so easy to understand, and their explanation was very helpful. It instantly boosted our confidence to be able to take trainings without any fear. It has authorized me to be able to take sessions professionally. I'm not now a certified trainer, and that adds more value because now I can take variety of courses. And since I know the structure of it, I don't have to restrict myself to my particular area. I can research and take trainings on more and more topics. The way time was respected for us, the course was very concise and still sufficient for us to feel confident as a trainer. And yeah, I think very clear, very brief, and very apt. I think if you're looking for a training course with very simple yet effective approach, you should join ProTouch because it's not fluff. I mean, it will not give you too many things that will go beyond your head. It's simple, easy to understand, and the trainers Aparna ma'am and Rahul sir are very approachable and very confident in their approach in teaching us. They will make sure that we learn it, and they will keep repeating it unless we are clear with our concepts.